What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you find digits A, B, and C that satisfy the multiplication problem below? And again, it says here A does not equal B does not equal C, meaning that they are all different digits. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So with a question like this, it's very important to think, where do we start, right? What's the easiest point of entry? So you might look up here and see the first row, the second row, all these different things, and they're all potential places that would be great starting points. But what I'm noticing right off the bat is I see down here when we're multiplying, right? We multiply these two numbers and then we get these two rows. And what's the next step? We're adding this to this, right? So that gives me a really good clue about A. A is going to be 6 plus 9, which 6 plus 9 is 15, which means A should be 5. The only thing we have to look out for is there a carry here? We know there's no carry because any digit plus 0 is the digit itself with no carry. Remember, digits anything from 0 through 9. So that means we already know that A has to equal 5 because then we carry a 1 with the 15. Now that we know that A is 5, we can start to figure out what B is. All right, so let's check this out. We know we have a 5 right here, and then 5 times B gives us a 5 down here. Now, 5 times an even number like 2, 4, 6, that's going to end in a 0. So we know that B has to be odd. That's why we get a 5 here. And then what else do we have? We have 5 times 5 right here. That should give us 25, but instead it gives us 26. That means that the carry when we do 5 times B is only 1, and which means the only viable option for B is 3, because 5 times 3 is 15 with a carry of 1. 5 times 5 is 25. That's too big. 5 times 1, there's no carry, so on and so forth. Now that we know that B is 3, the only thing left to figure out is C. Now over here, it's just literally C is become C, right? That means there's going to be no carry, and we know there's no carry, right? But let's see if we can figure this out another way. Let's go down to the 3 multiplying the 53, right? And that's really 30. It's in the 10 spot. So as we multiply this out, we already know with the second row, we start with the 0 right there. Then we do 3 times 3, which is 9. Then we got to do 3 times 5, which is 15. We put the 5 there, and the carry is a 1. Which means that the only possible option for C is 1. So our final answer is A equals 5, B equals 3, C equals 1, boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.